Right, so we'll get this sweet corn cleared. No reason to take the roots out. Just cut it right down to the ground. And the roots will rot into the soil. Today I'm going to be planting overwinter onions. The variety I'm planting is Autumn Champion. So first of all, what you've got to do is, you've got to sort them out into good ones and bad ones. So you go through them, see the biggest and the best ones, make sure that there's none that are rotted. Well, that was a decent amount. The only one that I'm going to discard is that one. It's got a wee bit of damage on it. Into the compost. So let's go over to the bed they're going to go in. So they're going to go into this raised bed here that I had brassicas in last year. So to get that prepared, as you can see, I've dumped some cuttings for the sweet corn in there, so they'll rot down, give the soil some good nutrients. Just get these slug traps out of here. We're certainly not going to need them in there for slugs. Couple of wee bits of bindweed there. Get out. So as this is a no-dig bed, just be a case of topping it up. A couple of bags of compost. Give that a rake over. You know, a bit of a firming down. And for decent sized onions, you need to have the onions in rows 30 centimetres apart and have the spacing in each row 10 centimetres. So this bed is 1.2 metres, so that's roughly 10 centimetres. So if we use that as an approximate, just create a hole. Just so as the tip of the onion stick in it. So that's 28 onions in there. So that's 53 onions planted, which was a good result because I had to throw away one. The bag said it contained 50, so I get 3 extra. Let's see how we do.